This week, buy 20 rand airtime or data on the NetBank Money app or online banking to stand a chance to win 2 domestic return economy class flights. To my fans on TV, it's the DSTV Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 5. I'm joined by Boo 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 Boo
Amen bazalwane esayidini lomndeni ngizawuthanda ukubonga ngibongele isayidi lomndeni ngithanda ukubonga isikhathi sakho MC onginikeze sona ngasho ngathi umufi wadutshulwa edutshulela la adutshulelwa ngenye indoda yaseStellenbosch yamhlaba ngebullet eyi1 samthatha samphuthumisa eGqeberha nasifika eGqeberha sathola ukuthi udoctor uthi no lo muntu angeke akhona ukuthi no angasurvive yena angeke akhona ukuthi amlaphe bamnika injection e1 abanye amadoda bathi wechipa samthatha sammikisa le eRichards Bay ukuthi no mhlambe bathi kuno doctor lapha eMlazi eKingswell ithini lo baba ubuya eRichards Bay wafika lapha naye wamhlaba ngebullet eyi1 wathola ukuthi esekuphelile ngaye bathi no ithi singalehlisi ibhokisi siyocala ngememorial service le ekhaya kubo sikomotha ePulukwane safika abajabula isihlele besijabula ku-memorial service sathi thina umnqwabo uzoba la namhlanje lehlile ibhokisi njengamanje 6 feet down sicela ukuthi bafowethu esayidini lobomndeni sicela ukuthi nisithathe nisibeke la nisithethe khona akukho kude 7 minutes drive khona la village ila siyogeza khona izandla sikhona ukwazana sibantu nehlanya alishaywa so nehlanya awulishayi ngalendlela ihlanya unokuthi ulishaye ulizwele mara lokho nalokho iSundowns kwenzayo afowethu ukhona kumele ukuthi arrestwe la angifuni ukutshela manje
ngithi arrestwe
manje kumele arrest yena lo abacabanga ukuthi uyi-assistant kumele arrest angifuni ukutshela manje phela manje uma sesibulisa mina uma ubulisa mina ubothi but uma ubulisa lapha umzala ithi hayi ithi ngibe mfishana awuthami lento bengitshela yona ukuthi iChiefs izoza defensive kuSundowns especially in the middle of the park bazodlala nga3 ama central midfield noma ungabheka bamlethile umthethwa baletha umthethwa baletha uMart baletha uCastillo baletha lentwana yamadrets nithubani uSithebe ungabheka uSithebe bekadlala nobani laphakathi bekadlala noMart then abanye bangacabanga ukuthi uCastillo beka attacker bekala phambi kwabo ugadi Sundowns la kulesiso then lapha emuva uthami bayenza ama changes bathatha uQuinic ungazumbona letha uQuinic ucoach amlethe ku right back obvious akafuna uku-attack uyambona uthatha utubani uFrosler umbeke ku left akafuna uku-attack because uyazi ukuthi uFrosler is a right footed player you understand okay waletha uMsimango waletha no nitubani lentwana lebuya ku SuperSport le uDitlok wabaletha la phakathi so yena bekeze ngeplan right but angeke udefend iSundowns awuthami uma uzoyidefenda kakhulu izokunikeza stress because labadlali ngithe ngicela abalethe ucoach ngathi ngizwile umayema nalentwana umkhulisi understand okay umlethile usayile wamletha uModi uma ungambheka uModi beka quiet ibhola vele ngalo nje khona la aphume khona kwenye passage uma ungabheka le khoneni cishe yaba ingozi le bhola beka i-threats ngaleso sikhathi so uPriz umbonile ngikutshelile ngathi umuntu omunye ukuthi angasinikeza inkingi but uhlangane nembili asithutha uthambeka bolubusa bafethu thatha yonke into awuthami ngidala ngikhuluma ngale out prior out imnandi thina uma ungabheka namhlanje size ngayo i4231 size ngayo i4231 silethe umdunyelwa saletha lentwana uMashiko bengingase badlala ukuthi bengiba expect ukuthi bangabaletha namhlanje but ucoach uyazi ukuthi kune game ebalulekile
Sunday
exactly ukuletha uOnyango wazi kahle ukuthi labantu laba banofuna ukusibamba ngama set piece uOnyango uright ngama areas ball akusilula ukuthi ngalende 6 area box uOnyango angekho angabikhona you understand so ngithi well done ku Sundowns uma ungabheka intwana esifana nomkhulisi noMayema badlale kamnandi awuthami ugcine nini ukubona uMayema adlala as a anchor bekadlala la uMayema nomkhulisi awuthanda so ucoach uletha abadlali ngibona ukuthi bengaba expectanga abanye but abanye bengiba expect ukuthi bangaba khona beka lamantwana se South American bathi sidlala ngemali awuthanda bathi sidlala ngemali Escobar Ribeiro angazi ubani man of the match mina man of the match ya Ribeiro awuthanda usekangambuzi ne udlale kahle le out mina ngifuna ukutshela manga bayinikezena awuthanda Ribeiro so ngiyabonga awuthanda into yeSundowns idlale ngakhona sometimes i-team might throw red card kumele ukubonisa lokho ukuthi une upper hand kumele basebenzise bebalifuna ngetosho bathi Matthews udlalile uMatthews
mara yakho uRibeiro
ayeyami uRibeiro awuthanda uMatthews naye udlalile awuthanda badlali babaningi abadlali beSundowns uma ungabheka lentwana uOscovel awuthanda udlale kahle awuthanda udlale kahle so enye into awuthanda ngifuna ukuyisho sometimes sifaka abadlali ukuthi bangathanda ibhola eka lentwana uVilakazi lentwana imnandi awuthanda but ifaka under pressure uyiletha igame kanje uletha excuse uMashiyani igame kanje ushabalala uma umletha kanje uthenzeni phela lentwana ifike yayenza amanye amathashisi uma ungabheka nale goal usifakile isandla ushabalala iplayer awuthanda so uletha abadlali aba defensive choko ukuthi bongafuna ukattack ufuna ukattack ngawo lama winger akho usayile nobani no Modi but uhlulekile awuthami njengoba ugcina bona yenza amasapa keeper ukuthi bengasa understand after bathole red card uthatha uMarti umdlalisa right back mina kuya ngami okay ngiya understand uMashiyani game time but why ungadonsi ungathatha uMashiyani umlethe then uthathe lentwana uFroster abiyele ku right back uthatha uMashiyani abiyele ku left back kanti ufuna ukuthi at least to keep shape lapha emuva dan ukuthi manje uzothatha uMarti umlethe ku right back nakhona udlalile uMarti awuthami akusi position yakhe le udlalile uMarti afuna ukutshela manga so overall awuthami ilokho besikulindele lokho ilokho besikulindele awuthami it's rare ukuthi udli Chiefs ama season alandelanayo home and away imagine last season 6 points this season 6 points you understand nakhona ngelinye record I think iSundowns ekhona ukukwenza lokho imagine start league awuthami kusela ama game angaki 6 sizoba nama guard of honor awu6 bese masipulisa labantu siba nama guard of honor awu6 so well done to Mamelodi Sundowns even though abantu bathi iMamelodi Sundowns ayenzi into ekumele yenze wadina nini ukubona i-team ithatha league kusela ama game awu6 only Sundowns so siyabonga thami ngingadli isikhathi ngishela boza kwethu ukuthi nabo at least bathi ukuthi fahla kancane but mina ngithi ama support Sundowns bheka abo Lodge uma bafike ngitshelile ngathi kunabanye abadlali uLodge umbonile ukuthi umane wathashi net uyithashile abanye manje ba complaina ngepenalty ithi ngitshela thami uma ukhumbula ukuthi uMubhara wathola red card and it was a red card leya yakhe noMaswanganye udinaya i-goal scoring opportunity you understand kumele ukuthi bakubook it's a punishment that's a red card you understand thami so angazi mhlawumbe abanye abantu ukuthi bona bayibone kanjani but mina ngibone ukuthi akalithashanga ibhola angazi uma ngabe ulithashile okay akusi red card but mangabe ibhola akalithashanga udlala umuntu awuthami it's a red card so ngese kumakhosi prayami angazi umngani wami wawa ukuthi ukuphi kade ngicabanga uzawufika ngicabanga uzawufika
Thank you.